Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just filming a look on this hair and makeup. It's inspired by the new TV show Sabrina on Netflix, and it's a reboot of my favorite TV show ever, which is Sabrina the Teenage Witch, and they're very different. Like if you like Sabrina the Teenage Witch for what it is, then you might not like this show because it's nothing like the original at all, but it's still really interesting and really fun, and she's got the cutest style, so I wanted to do a look based off of that. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. Okay, I promise I'm wearing a shirt. Let's just put that out there. So basically I've already done my whole foundation. If you guys want a tutorial on that, I'll have it linked down below. I just thought I'd try to save some time for this video. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows, and I don't know if anyone will notice, but I actually lightened my brows and I really like how they look. I'll insert like a before picture here, but I never realized how dark my eyebrows were like in comparison to my hair, and I like them so much more now, and I think they just look like more soft and natural, all that good stuff. But now I'm gonna go back in and darken them up again because in the show Sabrina has really dark eyebrows and really blonde hair. So I'm gonna go in with this Essence Make Me Brow Gel, and then I'm also gonna go in with some pomade from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's in the shade Taupe. So I'm just gonna give it a little brush. So now I'm just gonna go in with the Smokey Eyeshadow Palette from NYX, and I'm gonna go in with that kind of like neutral color and put it in my crease. And then I'm going to go in with this purple shade and darken it up just a bit more. And then I'm going to take like a little flat brush and the white color in that palette and put that in my inner corner. There's that. Just make my eyes look really nice and bright and awake. And then I'm gonna go in with my Clinique eyeliner, and I'm gonna do like a little baby kitten wing. She doesn't really have super heavy eyeliner, so I'm not gonna go too crazy. I'm gonna go in with just kind of like a neutral colored eyeliner and pop that in my lower lash line. And then I'm gonna go in with kind of like this matte purple shade from my Swamp Queen palette, and just very, very lightly pack that on my lash line because her eyes are very defined, but like in a really natural way. So then I'm just gonna go do mascara. So in the show, she usually wears a pretty neutral lip. I'm gonna go in with this really teeny tiny sample size that I got. It's bareMinerals in the shade Boss, but I really love this lipstick. I'll probably need to go buy the big size once it's all out. Hee hee. And then the other half of the show, she's usually wearing a red lip, so that's what I want to do today. I'm going to go in with this lip liner from NYX in the shade Cabaret and line my lips. Alright, and then for lipstick, I'm going to go in with this Chanel Ever Red liquid lipstick. That's the shade. Alright, so there is the makeup done. I think it looks pretty cute, pretty easy look. It's actually very Christmassy looking, even though this is like a horror Halloween show. So that's ironic, but I think it's just because of the red lips. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair. So I'm going to be using the straightener today. It's a new straightener that I got, and it's from Panasonic, and I've been really liking it. I got some in the mail, but it's really nice because it's got a few different heat settings, which is nice for like if you have really thin, fine hair like me, then you can't be using like cheese and things that only have one heat setting on 425 because that's just gonna like fry your hair and make it dye super fast. And that's like my #1 tip for keeping healthy hair, is just use a low setting if you're gonna straighten your hair. I also really like it because it's got ceramic plates, which is really good for fine hair, and it just doesn't snag at all or anything like that, which is always nice. And then one more cool thing about this is that it has universal voltage, which is really cool. I, right now, don't need that in my life, but maybe in the next coming years, if I get bigger on YouTube, I might be traveling or like doing cool things like that. So it's nice to have universal voltage so that I don't have to buy a new straightener every time I go to a foreign country. Not that I'm doing that very often anyways, but anyways, today I'm gonna just be waving my hair with this, and nothing too exciting. I'm just gonna kind of curl it, and I'm gonna use the viewfinder as my mirror. Alrighty, so there's the hair waved. I'm just gonna run my fingers through it and kind of make it look more messy. And then the final touch, she's always got her little headband on in the show. So I'm gonna just take like a little stretchy one and pop that on. Brush, get out all this hair that's stuck behind it. Alright you guys, so this is the finished Sabrina hair and makeup look. I hope you guys found this tutorial helpful. If you're interested in that straightener, I'll have it linked down below, and any products, any questions, anything like that, just ask me in the comments and I will reply. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.